Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to paint this porcelain teapot step by step in watercolor. First, I'm doing a very light pencil sketch. Keep the lines soft because we don't want the pencil marks to show through the paint. Now, I am adding the first wash. I am keeping the body of the teapot very light using a mix of Naples yellow and ultramarine blue. To create the 3D shape, I am adding cool shadows using ultramarine blue and burnt sienna. I am placing darker tones under the lid, near the bottom and around the curved parts of the teapot. Now the fun part, details. Using a darker blue, I am painting floral patterns like roses and leaves. Don't worry about making it perfect, simple shape looks beautiful in watercolor. Once the pattern is done, I am increasing the contrast. I am darkening the base, sharpening a few edges and adding deeper shadows for realism. This step makes the teapot look more solid and professional. Finally, I am adding a soft cast shadow under the teapot so it sits on the surface naturally. If you don't get strong highlights with watercolor, you can use acrylic white or white gouache at the end. Just use it softly. And we are done. If you enjoyed this quick watercolor tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what I should paint next. See you in the next video.